Pakistan continues to create international trouble, stating, in fact, globalizing the Indus Water Treaty. Instead of putting its own house in order, Pakistan seeks to globalize the issue. ये साल तो problem नहीं होगा, but आगे सालों में ये flashpoint दोबारा उठ सकता है. Indus Waters Treaty flashpoint will not flare up this year, this monsoon season, because rains have been good in North India. Delhi mein, Punjab mein, even in the upper reaches, in Himachal, everywhere, rains have been excellent. बहुत सारा पानी, Indus rivers यानी Chenab, Jhelum, all are full. We have opened the floodgates of our dams and a lot of water is flowing into Pakistan. तो ये crisis इस साल तो शायद नहीं होगी Indus water basin में, where the lower riparian Pakistani states, Punjab and Sindh reside. Pakistan continues to create international trouble, stating, in fact, globalizing the Indus Water Treaty, saying that this affects transnational rivers across the world. Of course, everyone knows so many rivers flow through so many nations. All the Tibetan rivers flow either through India or they flow downwards from China into Vietnam, Cambodia, etc. All the European rivers travel through many countries. ये सबसे पाकिस्तान ग्लोबलाइज करने को देखता है ये इशू को, एंड इट कीप्स स्प्यूइंग आउट फॉल्स डेटा कि 24 करोड़ पाकिस्तानी डिपेंडेंट हैं इंडस वाटर्स पे, और that this will starve them, dry them out, all these things, but actually it covers up the facts. The truth is that more than half the waters which India allows to flow through the four western Indus rivers, the Chenab, Jhelum and the Sindhu Nadi, all these, less than half is utilized by Pakistan. उसके canals, irrigation systems, dams बहुत कमजोर हैं, weak हैं, and that being the case, half of the waters just drain off into the Arabian Sea. और जो canalized भी होते हैं waters, उसमें से 40% waste होते हैं, evaporation, leakage, ऐसे सब चीजों से. Hopefully, by then, India would have created international goodwill. After all, Indus Waters Treaty का preamble itself कहता है कि ये treaty signed है based on goodwill and friendship. जो पाकिस्तान ने terrorism promote कर खत्म कर दिया, तो फिर preamble खत्म तो treaty भी खत्म.